How to update Google Play Store. In this video I will tell you how you can update your Google Play Store app. First you have to just open your settings. Go to the mobile settings, click on the mobile settings. Scroll down and find the apps options. You can find the apps options, click on the apps options. After clicking the apps options, you have to find here app site search bar. Click on the app search bar. Search here Google Play Store. After searching the Google Play Store, now you can find here the Google Play Store. Click on the Google Play Store. After clicking the Google Play Store, now you can find here storage options. Click on the storage options. After clicking the storage options, now you can find here clear cache options, clear cache. You have to just, after doing the clear cache, click on the clear data and clear data. Clear cache and clear data. After clear cache and clear data, go to the back. Now open your Play Store app. After opening the Play Store app, now you can see here your Play Store will be open. Updating your Play Store app, now you can find here your Play Store will be open. Now click on the right side of corner on profile. And now you can see here, scroll down it and now you can see settings options. Click on the settings options. After clicking the settings options, now you can see here about options. Click on the about options. After clicking the about options, now you can find the Play Store version. Click on the Play Store version options. Update Play Store options. After clicking the Play Store update options, now your Play Store will be updated. This video, if you like, then like and subscribe to the channel.